We're getting rolling on a new project, just leaving Lowe's now, getting about 3 ceiling fans and 12 more lights for the home. Dad's in there getting a couple toilets, I believe. We like to have everything ready in the house for when our guys show up. They don't have to want for anything. It's all there ready to rock and roll. Only work we've gotten done on this so far is had all the floors, hardwood floors, refinished, and then had all the tile in the upstairs bathroom glazed. But now we're gonna put all that stuff we got at Lowe's, including appliances, in here so it's ready to rock and roll when our contractors show up tomorrow. So here's everything. We got 4 ceiling fans here, a box of all the miscellaneous lights, obviously the fridge, the stove, the range hood. What is this? Oh, miniature dishwasher, only an 18-inch dishwasher, 2 brand new toilets. I'll show you why we have to have that little dishwasher. It's because it's so small here. So as you can see, Dad doesn't like that, but what we typically do with something like this is we'll paint all the bricks white, and then we'll paint the inside black. I wish I had a before shot of the tile, but it was this real ugly paint. I actually think I posted a short of it, so if you want to check that out on my channel. But it looks good, nice and white. Work's starting here tomorrow officially in terms of painting, installs, stuff like that. I'll try to capture as much footage as possible, and of course show you all the end result. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the old channel. Typically I've just been doing short form content. A lot of people have told me to kind of take projects from start to finish, so I'm going to attempt to do that. Y'all stick with me. Thanks. You got the key?
Oh yeah, be right there.
Dad's wanting to get out of here. I'm trying to film. Pulled halfway down the road, but he had the key in his hand. Gotta lock this place.